Hi guys, ASIK here. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, then please subscribe and press the bell notification icon so you can be updated with the latest videos. In this video, we're going to look at how to install WordPress in less than 5 minutes. It's a simple tutorial on installing WordPress and a sample template to get you started. So without further ado, let's dive straight in. The first thing you need to do is log into your hosting account. Once you have logged in, you need to go into your cPanel and then you need to look for Installatron Application Installer. Click on Application Browser, look for WordPress, and then on the right click on Install this application. Choose the domain you want to install it on. You can leave this blank, but just for a sample I'm going to enter sample. Leave all the default settings, choose this administrator username and always choose a strong password, and then enter the email that's associated with this installation. Leave the default settings and hit the install button. It will take a few minutes and it will install WordPress. Now look for your installation and click on the second link to go to the admin panel. We want to click no thanks for now, as we are going to install the theme manually. So there we have our WordPress installed. If we look at the website now, there we have a default theme installed. You can go to Appearance, Themes, and search for a theme by clicking on Add New, and there are themes to choose from. Now I'll show you how to install a theme. If you go to Add Themes and search for a theme called Spacious, click on Install, Activate the recommended plugins by installing them first. Click on the plugins, choose Install, Apply, these plugins will be now installed. Okay, so let's see the theme now. As you can see, it's just a blank theme. Next we're going to go to Appearance, Demo Importer. Click on Import, click on OK. It can take up a few minutes to install. Once this has been done, you can go back to your site and refresh, and there we have a theme installed. Now we can edit the text, add our logo, images and all the descriptions. Alright guys, thank you for watching. In the next video I'll show you how to edit the text and the logo. Alright, thank you guys.